sure, but probably on this side of the station. Maybe these are the only original MB6 elevators, because I think when we went there, everything was with generics. But we don't know for sure if it's anything else, but this could be the only original left.
Yeah.
We are not sure, we will see it. It was built in 1962, turning 60 years old in next year, 2022. There's an authorization 10215. And it's going to be 2023, and made by Espoo Hissi. And then it's big by lifted Nordic. This is possibly early 1962.
Yeah.
Because I was guessing it was 61 or 62. And I thought it was 61. So that's why I think it's early 1962.
Yeah.
I like the smell here.
Same here.
A second silent shrine. Also in this case, maybe I can watch that lower the gauge also. We don't have to do it in the other ones, but here maybe we can do it.
Yeah, that's